esta parte que va ahí. Entonces esto va ahí, esta parte va ahí adentro. Entonces lo que quiero hacer es agarrar esta manguera que compré. Quiero entonces poner esto, que entre aquí así, y conectar esto adentro del generador. Obviamente lo quiero cortar por mitad porque tengo 6 unidades. Entonces corta la mitad y tengo nada más esta mitad de la manguera así. Y cuando quiera cambiar el aceite, nada más le hago aquí por dentro, lo destapo aquí y ya puedo cambiar el aceite. Sin necesidad de tener que meterme aquí, que esto está bien incómodo. Es que no se puede meter en la mano. Es bien incómodo ahí. Look at this. Professional. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's now gonna go into this hose without a problem. Yeah. See that? You gotta take that out. I had to take out the whole thing. All the screws and everything's there. Had to put the cover back. Had to take everything off just to do that hose attachment. Oh, it's just so little. Look. It's just through here. It's not going through. Just by a little bit. It goes right there. Nice. So that's where you know it's already full. When it gets up to that point right there, first thread, we know we're good. We'll put the dipstick in right now and we'll show you. It's full. Put that on now. All right, here's the installation. Put a clamp, number 4, tighten that up. Has a little bend here, but it'll still flow right through. So when I'm draining the oil, it's gonna be easier now. All I have to do is just unscrew here, and I drain the oil. That's the setup. The other one's set. You can see the bottom right there too as well. Try to be as efficient as possible. That way when we change the oil every month, we don't have to take out the cover, we don't have to take out that screw. All we have to do is just unscrew that and we're good. And then we fill it up right in there.